Welcome to the Weather Center. Throughout Sunday, we had lots of cloud maintaining shower weather across southwestern South Africa. Brighter skies for the rest of the country, except for KwaZulu-Natal, where we have a lot of rain-bearing clouds blanketing this province. So this situation is going to leave us with a small chance of isolated showers tonight for much of your Sunday night across southwestern South Africa. Cloudy and wet weather continues for KZN, spilling into southern Mpumalanga overnight. It's going to be clear across much of the interior, but in these areas highlighted here, we're expecting bitterly chilly overnight temperatures. Now here's looking ahead to your Monday on our Futurecast map. It's going to stay cloudy and pretty wet across KZN, and a 40% chance of rain is forecast for eastern Mpumalanga and Limpopo. Partly cloudy skies are forecast for the rest of Limpopo and Mpumalanga, spilling into parts of Gauteng. It's going to be fine but cold over central and western South Africa, and isolated showers will persist over the south coast of the Eastern Cape. Now here's taking it closer to your province. That shading of blue represents a good chance of rain across much of KwaZulu-Natal. Temperatures peaking at 18 degrees for Richards Bay and Durban, but much cooler as we go further into the interior. Kokstad will stay at around 10 degrees and it's going to be freezing overnight. Now if you thought Kokstad is going to be cold overnight, look at Elliot dropping to -5, -8 in Aliwal North. Light rain for the south coast of the Eastern Cape. Port Elizabeth peaking at 15 degrees. It's going to be partly cloudy but dry for the south coast. George should reach a high of 13. Mostly sunny as we go towards Cape Town, where highs will manage to make it to 17 degrees. We are expecting a sunny one for you in Springbok. It's going to be freezing overnight and temperatures just making it to 10 degrees in the afternoon. Temperatures below freezing in the morning for the eastern parts of the Northern Cape, including around Kimberley, where a minimum of 5 is forecast. -7 for the minimum in Bloemfontein, and temperatures peaking at 10 degrees. It's going to be cold as well in the morning for much of the northwest. A mild 18 in the afternoon for Zeerust. Rustenburg peaks at 20 degrees. Light rain and drizzle for much of Limpopo, Polokwane and Sanin peaking at 18, a high of 19 for Palabora. We're expecting similar weather for the eastern parts of Mpumalanga with heavier rains as we go towards Mkondo. It's going to be partly cloudy but dry for Gauteng, Johannesburg and Soweto, 17, 19 for the high in Pretoria. Light winds are forecast across much of South Africa on Monday, including the south and the west coast. Moderate southwesterlies are forecast for the east coast. Here's looking ahead to your Tuesday. It's going to stay sunny but chilly across much of the central interior. Showers for Durban and Richards Bay. Light rain and drizzle for Mbombela and Polokwane. Then on Wednesday, we're expecting sunny but cold weather over much of the interior. Light rain for East London, Port Elizabeth and George.
Know more. eNCA.com